Hi tech lovers, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best foldable wire stripper you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the RDD Spawn foldable wire stripper. Let's get started. Product feature: Multifunctional mastery. This tool is a true workhorse, acting as electrical tongs, a peeling tool, a shear, a pressing tool, a division instrument, a wiring aid, and even a clip holder for maximum versatility. Replaceable blade design. To ensure your tool stays at peak performance for years, it features a convenient replaceable blade system, making maintenance simple and extending the life of your investment. Versatile applications. From home hydropower installations and automotive wiring to industrial power grid maintenance and electric box production, this tool is ready for any challenge you throw its way. Ergonomic hidden spring. The built-in hidden spring handle automatically reopens the tool after every cut, significantly reducing hand fatigue and making long hours of work feel much lighter and more manageable. Premium steel construction. Crafted from fine steel that has been quenched and forged, this wire stripper offers exceptional hardness and toughness, ensuring it remains durable through the toughest jobs. Precise shearing force. Equipped with strong and sharp cutting edges, it delivers powerful shearing force for neat, effortless cuts every single time, giving you the professional finish you deserve. Compact foldable design. The clever foldable design makes this tool incredibly portable. It fits easily into your pocket or bag, so you can have your entire electrical toolkit right by your side wherever you go. Pros. This tool truly feels like a helping hand on the job. The way the spring handle takes the strain off your wrist is a game changer for anyone who spends hours working with their hands. Its all-in-one design means you stop carrying a heavy bag of tools, simplifying your life. Plus, the high-quality steel construction gives you that reassuring feeling of a tool built to last a lifetime. Cons. Because it packs so many functions into one compact frame, there might be a small learning curve as you get used to the different settings. Also, while the foldable design is amazing for storage, it requires a quick second to unfold and lock into place before you can jump into your tasks. Final thoughts. Choosing the right tools is about more than just getting the job done. It's about making your workday more enjoyable and less stressful. The RDSPON brings a sense of ease and confidence to every project, whether you're fixing a light at home or working on a professional site. It's a reliable companion that respects your hard work and helps you achieve great results with a smile. Upgrade your toolkit today and feel the difference. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video.